This is Sean Antonio, and welcome to yet another crazy night in Hollywood. My House Hollywood, it's madness, it's chaos, it's celebrities, it's fashion shows, it's everything going on. So myself, along with some of the hottest promoters in town, we got Eamon B, we got fucking John Moore from Fireworks, we got Jared Horwich from Velvet Crossing. We have all types of insane promoters that join forces for one night. Every Friday we do special events featuring some of the hottest DJs, some of the hottest talent, some of the hottest celebrity birthdays, some of the hottest playmates, and all types of insane people throughout the night. So tonight you'll witness some madness, some chaos, bottle service, people dancing on tables, people screaming names at the front door, all types of people falling down because they're too drunk. It's out of control every Friday. Our experience tonight is a mix of about 900 people coming throughout the night. So my house is a nightclub experience with a house party feel. The people that come through just love it. There's cabanas, there's beds, there's pools. It's out of control. And every Friday we provide such a unique experience that most of our clientele is repeat clientele. They have bottle service every week. They actually rock out, celebrate their birthdays, anniversaries. Their moms and dads are in town. It all works out. It is so extraordinary. I'm honored to be a part of it. And guys, once again, welcome to my house experience. Boom.